Dear parents, a lot has happened since I last addressed you. As if the pandemic, COVID 19, were not enough. It seemed that the Almighty wished to test our resilience. Our city of joy was plunged into darkness for a brief while by the howling wind and the blinding rain of Cyclone Amphan. And for the first time, we realized what it is like to be locked down and completely disconnected from our friends and loved ones. However, Kolkata is limping back to life, and so are we, having learnt various lessons in life skills, having learnt that less is more. Now let me tell you about a 30-year-old gentleman, a Mr. Ragbir Singh, who works part-time as a real estate dealer and also helps out with the family car rental business. He is at present a full-time relief worker. Since day 2 of the lockdown, he, along with a few others, started cooking dal chawal daily at the Garcha Gurdwara and distributed it to people living on pavements and makeshift houses by the roadside. He has done rounds of various hospitals with food packets for the relatives of patients. Ragbir has also been on National Highway 6 a couple of times since the lockdown to hand out bottles of drinking water, biscuits, puffed rice and juice to migrants walking home. This exemplary young man, a part of the Khalsa Aid, is gainfully occupied round the clock doing seva now that his garage is completely shut. When asked whether he ever fears that he might contract the coronavirus, the youth smiles mildly and points at the message emblazoned on his Khalsa Aid t-shirt, which reads, "Recognize the whole human race as one." Very much in keeping with the Ubuntu philosophy of South Africa, meaning I am what I am because of who we all are. We have always taught our students to feel for others and to reach out, and I guess now is the time more than ever for all of us to reach out to them. Your children will embody the value system that you, we, and the world around them establish for them. The lessons in empathy and love that are shared with them, the joyful atmosphere that they are raised in, all contribute to their integral core values, molding them into the brighter future we hope to see. For learning to succeed on this virtual platform, our students require the collaborative effort of the school and the home, and we beseech your support yet again to help the teacher multitask and impart a joyful learning experience to your child. I assure you that the road ahead will be more dynamic and inclusive by reviving club classes, teaching history through storytelling, taking the students on a virtual tour while explaining geography, and perhaps enter the garden or the kitchen to teach science. My colleague will be taking you through the details where the road ahead is concerned. It may be a long, long time when we will meet our children in a physical space, and please rest assured that we will never call them unless we ourselves are completely satisfied about safety measures. So, in order to stay connected virtually, dear parents, please make the necessary arrangements and keep our children safe and happy. Please stay positive, as better days, I'm sure, are on their way. Thank you.